Is your Hisense TV constantly dropping its Wi-Fi connection right in the middle of your favorite show? Don't worry, because we are going to stabilize your internet and get you back to streaming right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This annoying disconnect usually happens because of a conflict between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands or an internal software glitch that puts the wireless card to sleep. Let's lock in your connection with 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. The 60-second power cycle. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall and wait for 1 full minute. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 15 seconds to clear the network cache. Step 2. Disable the fast boot or in a quick starter mode. This setting often prevents the Wi-Fi card from initializing properly when you turn the TV on. Turning it off forces a fresh hardware handshake every time. Step 3. Correct your date and time settings. If your TV clock is wrong, it will lose its security handshake with the router. Switch your settings to sync with network to keep the connection alive. Step 4. Use a static IP address. Manually assigning an IP address to your TV prevents it from fighting with other devices for a spot on your network. This stops those random mid-movie disconnects. Step 5. Switch to the Google DNS. Go into your network configuration and change your DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. This is much more stable for smart TV streaming than most standard provider settings. Step 6. Separate your Wi-Fi bands. If your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz into one name, give them separate names. Connect your TV specifically to the 2.4 GHz band for better wall penetration and stability. Step 7. Disable the Wake on wireless networks feature. Sometimes this background service crashes the Wi-Fi driver while the TV is active. Turning it off can stop the intermittent dropping. Step 8. Check for HDMI 2.1 interference. High-speed cables that aren't shielded properly can leak electromagnetic noise that drowns out your Wi-Fi signal. Try moving your cables away from the TV's wireless antenna. Step 9. Reset the network stack. Go to your system settings and select Reset Network Settings. This wipes out old corrupted connection data and allows your wireless card to start fresh. Step 10. Update your firmware via a USB drive. If your Wi-Fi is too unstable to download an update, use a computer to put the latest Hisense software on a flash drive and install it manually via the USB port. Here's a pro tip for you. If you still face drops, try clearing the cache of the MEPAR Network Stack and System app in your app settings. This deep-level clean often fixes connection bugs that a standard reset leaves behind. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert tech fixes. You are all set and your connection is now rock solid.